scared of me yet?
Oh, no, not yet.
Dawn's no working issue.
No.
What's the matter with you?
Oh, nothing. I'm fine.
Yeah, you look great.
Are you alright?
I'm so hungry. Mary's way out of me.
Good.
I love you, Maris.
Let's make you something nice to eat.
Mr. and Mrs. Herbold are so fucking lame. Mr. Herbold comes in the other day and starts talking shit about my makeup. Fucking Dawn. Dawn says that I smell like cigarettes.
Dawn smells like mothballs.
She probably got a machine up her cunt. Oh. Dude, what the fuck is wrong with you?
I'm divorced. I mean, I'm recently divorced.
Somebody from Laurelwood. Mm-hmm. Probably a fucking idiot then. What's his name?
Mitch Canfield.